Hi friends, this video shows how to stop automatic system software update in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, select system software update and settings. So here you can see download update file automatically. First we have to disable this option. Done. Then go to next option, install update file automatically. Disable. Done. Disable these two options, so that way we can stop automatic update of system software. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.